So, I don't know, man. Tools with me. We'll be ready for anything. Oh, and a spare license plate in case I get it running. I got to drive it home. You know how it is. Okay, so I am up here with another garage pickup or another estate sale pickup. Got this 93 Cherokee for $145. Hood latch is stuck, so I took it apart. There's some rat poop on the ground, so we'll see. Again, it's $145. You can't even get a dinner for that. So I have not tried to pop the hood yet, now that I disassembled it. So, come on, baby. Hold up. Got the hood popped. All right, moment of truth. All right, can I get a quick prayer? Ooh, that's not good. Actually, so there's no battery. That's not the worst I've ever seen. That's a hell of a rat's nest, but all the vacuum lines are intact. All the hoses. Hey, we might be cooking here. Holy shit. Look at that. The plastic's in good shape for being a 93. I'm going to remove some of this stuff definitely with gloves, but holy shit. Oh, that made me jump, dog. Holy shit. This actually may have been a good buy for $140. So I cleaned off some of the rat debris. It looks like they were just pack ratting the area around it and living here. Look at this. Either this is a new head or this is a replacement engine. This is relatively new. That's the AC compressor. I mean, I may have struck gold. I brought a spare battery just in case, and I see a rat corpse in there. All right, got the jumper cables. I got a hum, so one of the actuators just turned on. There's no way. Let's see. Okay, are we in neutral? Yep, all right. Nope, I got no ignition. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well, it can't win everything. So, check engine. Well, damn. All right, well, at least we're in the right direction. No way. The old engines on these things still work. Holy shit. So I got no fuel, no shit. I just got nothing. So it's only got 162,000 miles on it. I mean, it's got oil. Oh, no way. Does this thing work? How do I turn this on? Does this work? Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. Holy fuck. No way. No fucking shot, dude. Holy Lord, unlock. Does unlock work? Holy shit. So the rats didn't shoot through anything. Not important. I can figure out this ignition thing is probably a loose wire. Holy fuck, this is pay dirt. Does this chair work? That's as far back as it goes. Okay, well, ooh. Holy shit. So I got a feeling. That's weird though. What is that? Oil temperature. The oil temperature light's messed up. Oil. So the oil sensors are messed up. And maybe it doesn't have enough to charge because I'm looking at this right here. Dude, this is wild. That's stuck. Holy shit. I mean, not terrible, but not great. The pistons are for sure blown. But hey, what about these doors? Stuck. Okay, well, that's not too bad. I got no hard rust. Yo, this is one hell of a pickup for. I'm at a loss. I was expecting this thing was going to be like a 2-year project. After an arduous night, we got it home, and in the light, it doesn't look too bad. So I got the shop vac out. We're going to start cleaning, and we're going to start taking things apart. sort of the plan is go clean, full service, battery, and kind of go from there. But fun fact, all but one tire holds air. So I found a donut in the bed, or in the bed, found a donut in the back. So we're gonna start cleaning and we're gonna kind of see where we're at with this thing. But I got a good feeling. See, this is a perfect example of why I think this had a new motor in it. Look at this. That's a brand new air filter. Like, this is, I mean, it's got maybe, what, a couple miles on it? I mean, it's mostly still yellow inside. That's a brand new filter. I can't prove it, but I got a feeling. And then, so this is what it looks like without, that's the breather line actually, it took off. Without the debris. There's still some, and it's hard to reach places. In the process, I broke this vacuum line right here. That one right here into this thing. Don't know what it is. It goes into the fuel line, and it's cracked anyway. So it's not a big deal. I'm going to have to replace this entire vacuum line on both sides. Whatever, no biggie. I mean, aside from the fact I got some gnarly splinters in my feet from all this choya that was in here, but so far, so good. Okay, so I ended up firing up the air compressor, blowing a lot, as much as I could without damaging anything. There's still some kind of little nest pockets. One down there somewhere, a little bit over there. Oh look, you see that? There's a skull. That's a big ass rat. So, but it's not in bad shape. I mean, mechanically, obviously I have no idea, but look at this. So obviously here's the oil dipstick. Let's see if you guys can see this. Some good looking fluid right there. Smells like oil. So it's not leaking oil, it's got plenty. The transmission fluid, on the other hand, is not looking the right color, but kind of deal with that later. So today is cleaning, getting the old parts out. Oh man, the dashboard's cracked. That's okay. We'll super glue it together. So that's what today's goal is to just clean, and then we're gonna start servicing. Here's the tire in question. Looks like it got flat and was sitting too long and just ruptured the side. And when we were throwing it onto the flatbed, it blew the bead. So, oh, and it started to delaminate. So that's cool. Alrighty, guys. So I know this is a departure from my regular content, and I know it's kind of odd, but this is going to be a project car build. This is my first project car. Every other car I've ever had, I've had to fix immediately and not really do anything extra or fun to it, because I needed it. So that Cadillac I drive it to work every day now. I mean, that's just where we're at. So if you like this kind of content, like, comment, and subscribe. I think it's going to take me a couple months to get her in good shape, up and running. I'd say by Christmas-ish. So Christmas 2025, I should have it how I want it. Might take a little bit longer. It sort of depends on, I don't think there's anything wrong with the engine. I got a good feeling there's nothing wrong with that engine. But again, I don't know. We'll see. That being said, stick around. I'll probably do every couple days. I'll do more upgrades or more parts, cleaning, so on and so forth. Gotta hit the junkyard too. So stick around, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon.